what we will do now is open up the terminal. Just go here, search for terminal. That's it. Let's make it a little bit bigger for you guys and girls who are watching. Isn't that good? Nice. So what do we want to do now? Let's go to our code folder. A code folder is on my home directory. What we will be doing now is to create a new .NET project. First, you should check that you have .NET already installed on your machine. So write .NET space -- version. And we can see that we got 7.0.103 installed and ready to go. Great. If you don't have it, check the link that comes up in the video right now. I want you guys to be familiar with the terminal. So you have something called .NET, and you can do .NET help just like this. Then you can see all the different commands that you have available for you. For example, you have .NET new. So you could say .NET new and then API. But we can also say .NET new -- help. And as you can see, by doing that, we are getting help along the way. And the one we want to use is the one for API. So I will show you that now. So the command we are looking for is .NET new and then web API. Just like that, but add -- help because we already know that we can't remember all these commands by ourselves. So you can see that we have a lot of options here. For example, .NET new web API options. And then we have project. The project should be used for context evaluation, the template, the language, and all these different things. We can even specify that we want authentication, individual, single org, or Windows. You're probably wondering why we're looking at this screen now. Let's take a look at how this would be looking like if we would use Rider or Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio or any IDE that you would prefer. Here I have opened up Rider, as you can see. By going to New Solution, you can see most of the different options that we have when you see the terminal window. We have ASP.NET Core Web Application. We can choose the SDK here. We can choose that it's in Web API. We could choose all these different options here. We want a Web API, just like we specified here in our terminal window. And you can see that we can specify individual authentication, organizational authentication, or Windows authentication directly from this screen. So why are we using the terminal? Because it's really nice if you are in Visual Studio Code or if you are out with the client to just spin up a new project by using the terminal. So I suggest you guys to get familiar with this terminal and all the available commands, just like we did .NET new, web API. We could say auth like that, or we could say help and then get all the help that we need. So by using the terminal just like this, we are having more options here than we would have if we would only use Rider or Visual Studio. So it's more granularity around the options that you have. Great job, guys.